Hi guys, welcome to the video course of the Ultimate Operating System. A little bit of backstory on the Ultimate Operating System. I've built this over a time span of almost 8 years. It's a combination of a lot of hard work and figuring things out myself, and combining other systems from other people. As I said, it took me 8 years to build this. Um, last 3 years, I've been able to really stitch it all together into Notion. Notion is an ultimate tool. You guys know this. Most of you know this. I use it for everything. It runs my life. It manages my life. So why is this system so important for me? It's very important because during this period of 8 years, I managed to build 3 companies, sell 2 of those, and the last one did 500K in revenues in 2020 while it was Corona. Um, so as you know, as you can see or as you can hear, the system has done a lot for me. I know it can do a lot for you too. I know if you stick with it, it will bring you tremendous value. So what I would recommend you to do is listen up, take a pen and paper out, write along with me, or write along in the Notion page, of course, because well, at this time you should have already duplicated the page. If you don't know how to duplicate a page, first of all, this is the Notion template. You have it in front of you. I'm hoping, if not, get it out right now. On the top right corner, after you've bought the template, you'll see a button that says duplicate. As you can see, it's also explained in the explainer window, step 1. Click that so you can duplicate the window to your own Notion workspace. So that is always the first step that you have to do right now. So yeah, that was the backstory. What we're going to talk about in this course are a few sections. We're going to start with the monthly recap. Then we're going to jump into the weekly recap, the weekly task manager, and we're going to end it with the task backlog and the task archive. It will be a quick course. I don't want to take up too many of your time. Before we end this one, I want to say a few things. First, if you have feedback, I'm very open to feedback. As you can read here, your feedback is always welcome. I think it's very important to always improve. So if you have anything, thoughts you want to share, please do so. Over the past few days, a lot of you already told me that they love the system and you guys have put in some amazing ideas. So I will incorporate those. Second thing I wanted to say is I know this looks large, it looks daunting, it looks very comprehensive. Um, that is not on purpose. It is just designed that way. It was a lot bigger. I've slimmed it down a lot. Um, but don't be afraid. What you're doing right now is an investment into your life. This is not a chore. This is truly a long-term investment. And once you get the hang of it, I know for sure that it will improve your life drastically. So stick with it. The third thing I wanted to say is, guys, if you like this, if this works for you, please give it a high rating on Gumroad. That would really much help me out with the Gumroad algorithm. So thanks a lot for that, guys. I will see you in the next video, in the next section, where we will go into the monthly recap. See you in the next one.